My name is Louie Lerma. I am in 4th grade, and Miss Rico is my older cousin. Today I'm going to be reading Stop Snoring, Bernard. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored too loudly. Snore. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Gills had enough. Snore somewhere else, Bernard, he said. Bernard tried sleeping at the lake, but that didn't work. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work out. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place and curled up by himself and drifted off to sleep. Snore, snore, snore. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard, Bernard, Bernard? Next morning, Bernard woke up, saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. Excuse me, he said. How did you sleep with me snoring? We didn't, replied the bat. We were up all night, and now we're trying to sleep. So please don't snore here. Bernard felt terrible. There was any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate, but then he heard something. It was the other otters. We couldn't sleep without you, said Grumpy Gills, and I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back. And from that day on, everybody napped happily. Well, almost everybody. Good night, Bernard.